Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a stunning social media profile for your social media account or for your business and other things. As a social media user, you have to create a stunning social media profile for people who are visiting your profile. A lot of people, what attract them, the first thing that attract people to engage with you in your social media is your profile. When your profile stand out, so a lot of people that will drag their attention to engage with your content. So that's why I decided to make this video so that I will show you how you can create a stunning profile picture like the one you're seeing in your screen. So I don't want to waste much time. Let me just go direct to the website so I will show you how you can do it and make your website, make your social media very professional. So the website name is pfpmaker.com. You can just put it on your browser and it will take you to this page that you're seeing now. So the first thing, when you come to this page, the first thing that you'll be doing is for you to upload the photo that you want to make as your profile picture. So you have to make sure that the photo is very clear. It's not blurry and all these things. So when you click on upload photo, it's going to take you to your gallery. You can now go and choose where your picture is. So in this case, I'm using this picture of mine where I'm going to make it as my profile picture. So let's see how the thing will come up. You can see generating our profile pics. So let's see how the result will come out. And please don't forget that this website is free. Yes, you can use it for free. A lot of social media marketers, social media managers are using this website in order to make their profile very stunning and very eye-catching. So as you can see here, our result is out. So you can see we have a very stunning profile picture. Any one of them here, I can just pick anyone that I can use in my social media. So, it's very important for you as a social media user to get a very attractive profile picture. It's very, very important because that one will make you stand out among the rest of social media is all about competing. So when you create a stunning profile picture, that will make you stand out in for your audience. So as you can see here, these are the pictures that we have. You can choose any one of them. You can choose anyone you like to use it as your profile picture, right? So as you can see, we have a lot and a lot of them. We have a lot and so you can see it. You can see it. We have a lot of them. We have a lot of them. You can see. So let's say I want to use this. Let's say I want to use this or this. Let me use this one. I'll click on this customize. It's going to take me here. So there is a lot of things that you can do here too. If you want to the outline, you can put outline. You see the outline of the photo. We are going to put outline if you like. We are going to put shadow. You can see shadow. It makes sense too. You see it. So filter. If you want to, you can put a filter too. And here, if you want, you can put something like transform. You can change the background if you want. The border, you can change everything. You can just go through it and customize it the way you want. So it's very simple as that. When you're done, you can now come here to download and download your picture. So it's very as simple as that. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and also like this video. But please share it with your friends so that they can benefit from what you have benefited too. So thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video. Thank you.